welcome from the Industry of Things World 2017 in Berlin. I'm here with Michel Huy from Rockwell Automation, one of our partners with our global event series. Hi Michel, and welcome to the conference.
Thank you.
First of all, I would like to ask you to introduce yourself and your background.
So I'm Michel Huy. I'm running the information software business for Rockwell in EMEA. My background in the IT industry started with effectively master engineering, as most of us, complemented by an MBA in sustainability and social responsibility that is highly impacted by digitalization today.
So yesterday you held a keynote presentation here at the Industry of Things World on mainly the digital transformation in manufacturing.
Yeah.
Can you give me some more insights into what you talked about?
The major topics I effectively covered were around defining the right approach and ensuring that each of those digital transformation projects feeds insights, feeds desired business outcome that I summarized in 3 types of insights. Business insights on one aspect, engineering insights, and also scientific insights. If any of your project in digital transformation feeds one of those desired outcome, then effectively the benefits will be scalable in your organization.
What do you see as the main challenges that digital transformation and the Industrial 4.0 movement brings along, and which industries are being affected the most?
All industries, all our world in manufacturing is impacted and has already been impacted in the past decade, accelerated in the past 2-3 years in the digital and IoT segment. The major challenges that we face is the perception that it's only about technology, where technology is in fact an enabler to transform our business model, our type of organization for a better customer experience. It's not the technology that is disrupting the digital manufacturing segment, the manufacturing segment. It's the goal of a better customer experience that drives organization to that change.
And how is Rockwell Automation helping clients overcome these challenges? What are the solutions you're offering in the IIoT space?
We started a journey already a decade ago and have, I would say, the deep expertise in how effectively physical information are transformed into digital. So providing the right knowledge, the right deepness of data at the early beginning when those physical interactions arrive is our core expertise as Rockwell Automation since we exist. We are a swordfish in industrial software and industrial automation since more than 100 years. This is what we do. How we help customers to doing that is effectively helping them to define their roadmap and even guided them to have achievable and scalable insights that I mentioned earlier. Once this roadmap is effectively scrummed and defined with the customer, we help them to implement it by analyzing all the digital threat across their supply chain and across their organization and make it them really implementing those with specific solutions that are scalable, that definitely are scalable in the organization or in the market to be able to maximize the business outcome that can get out of it.
From your own viewpoint, do you think that Industry 4.0 is a reality yet, or is it still considered a hype?
Industry 4.0 is announced as a revolution. I would say it's more than a hype. It already started a decade ago. It already hit all our way of doing business. Imagine just the world today without Industry 4.0. Would you like working in a disconnected organization? Could you live today and operate a plant without having people collaborating, without knowing what's happening, without having any information and be totally blind about the operation? That does not exist today anymore. Means what? Means the connectivity, the connection and the collaboration driven formalized and effectively defined in a very meaningful manner that is called Industry 4.0 has already started a long time ago.
What are your first impressions of the event and the different networking formats we have organized here?
The event is absolutely a great platform for each of us, for each of our customers, for all our partners to effectively make the ecosystem work. Effectively, it's a fabulous platform to drive the collaboration and to build the solutions to effectively have that Industry 4.0 journey moving and being an inflection point for acceleration into the market.
Thank you very much for your insights and your time for the interview, and I wish you a great rest of the day here.
Thank you very much.